When you want a low fuss cake that you can bake anytime, anywhere, how about this? A chocolate sheet cake with vanilla buttercream. So to make the chocolate sheet cake, we're going to start by mixing together 3 ounces of bittersweet chocolate with 1/3 cup of cocoa powder and 1/2 cup of boiling water. So use a whisk to just slowly stir these 3 ingredients together until the chocolate has fully melted. Okay, great. So now I'm gonna add 2 eggs. These have been sitting at room temperature, and by using room temperature ingredients, all of the dairy products will just incorporate really evenly with each other. To this, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. It's okay if it's a little bit more, it'll be great flavor. And just continue to add this together. I'm going to whisk together all of my dry ingredients. So I have 2 cups of just regular all-purpose flour. And then in this bowl, I've pre-measured 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And just whisk it together until it's combined. It won't take very long. So now from here, I'm going to alternate adding the flour mixture and then 1 cup of sour cream, which is just gonna make this cake super rich and moist. Looks pretty good. Now it's time to assemble the entire cake. So I'm just going to spoon on some of this luscious buttercream. So I'm just using an offset spatula to get every corner and edge. All right, so now I'm just gonna sprinkle some finely chopped chocolate. So I finished baking and frosting the chocolate sheet cake with vanilla buttercream. So there's only one thing left to do. Try a bite. It's so good. The buttercream just has the lightest texture to it. It's not overly rich or overly sweet. And the chocolate cake itself has just the lightest crumb. It has amazing chocolate flavor thanks to that combination of the melted bittersweet chocolate and the cocoa powder. So you get that double dose of chocolate deliciousness. And the result is just one amazing sheet cake.